All right, you're welcome to this video again. So in this one, this is use the similar triangles below to answer questions 41 to 42. So this is similar shape. The first question 41 asks us to calculate uh, side ST, which is this side. So the first thing, when you have similar shapes, the first thing you need to do is to write out the ratio of corresponding sides. So let's write out the ratio of corresponding. Since this angle equals to this angle is equal to this angle. Why this equals to what? This. So we can then have this ST corresponds to which side? You can see S has two curves here. This one has nothing. We look at the one that has two curves and nothing. This is WX, which is XW, equals, let me pick UT, which is 1 to nothing. 1 to nothing. That would be what? XV. XV equals the last part, which is SU, which is 2 to 1, that is VW. So that's the first part. If you fail to get this correctly, so definitely you miss your answer. So the next thing, let's put the values. ST, that is what we're looking for here. ST, XW, that is 12. And UT, which is 3. XV, which we don't know. XV. And the last one here, SU is 6. And SU, WV, which is what? 8. W, which is 8. So from here we can look for the values of our ST, look for the value of our ST, and at the same time look for the value of our XV. Now, the first fraction is incomplete. We know one of the two. We don't know the numerator. Here, we don't know the denominator. Why here they are complete? So what we're going to do, we'll combine this and this. So that means we're going to have ST divided by 12 equals 6 divided by what? 8. To find the value of what? ST. So here, 2 can go here 3, 2 can go here 4. So I can have ST, put this side there, divided by 12 equals to 3 over what? 4. So by the time you multiply both sides, cross multiply, you have 4ST equals to 12 multiplied by what? 3. Divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by what? So 4 cancel 4. 4 here 1, 4 here what? 3. Therefore, ST equals to 3 times what? 3, which is equal to what? 9 centimeters. That's the value of ST. Then 42 asks us to find the value of what? XV. Calculate XV. So we can combine this and that would be 3 over XV equals 6 over what? 8. So cross multiplying, we have 6XV, which is the line, equals to 3 multiplied by what? 8. Divide both sides by 6. So therefore, XV will then be 3 here 2, 3 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here what? 4. So that would be 4 centimeters. And the answer is there, 4 centimeters. Now, question 43. The construction below represents angle. So if you look at this is a construction. You can see this. This one is semicircle, and you have this here. So this goes this way. So this is 60. When you first construct a semicircle, this arc is a semicircle, and when you place it here, you get this one. So this is 60 degrees. That is 60 degrees for question 43. This is straightforward. Question 44. So calculate the area of the shaded region in the figure below. We have this. And we then have a circle embedded inside this. And the circle is of diameter 7 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. So this is a square. So we want to calculate the area of the shaded portion here. So what that means is that we find the area of the square minus the area of the circle. So shaded portion will then be area of square minus area of what? Circle. So the area of square is 10 times 10 minus area of the triangle of the circle, which is what? Pi r square. That will be 7 over 2. Since its diameter will be 7 over 2 times 7 over 2. 7 cancels 7. 2 here, 1, 2 here, what? 11. So this gives us 100 minus, this gives 77. That will be 38.5. So when we subtract this, we have 61.5 centimeters squared. I think it's there, 61.5 centimeters squared. So that is that on question 44. Question 45. Two similar cylindrical things are 6 centimeters and 9 centimeters high. So that is ratio of corresponding size, height. So that will be 6 to 9. Then if the smaller thing has diameter 8, that's another area, another side too. Find the diameter of the bigger one. So we are looking for the diameter of the bigger one. So that's find the value of x here. So that gives us 6x equals 8 multiplied by 9. Divide both sides by 6. 6 cancels 6. 3 here 2. 3 here 3. 2 here 1. 2 here 4. So therefore x is equal to what? 12 centimeters. So question 49. Which of the following angles cannot be constructed using a ruler and a pair of compasses only? So we can construct 30 degree with that. This is correct. 45 we can use it. 70, 90 we can use it. 120 we can use it. So the answer is this. We can't use a pair of ruler and compasses to construct 70. Even if we try to break it down, 60, 10, we cannot construct 10 with a ruler and compasses. We can construct 60 by that. But if it is 75 now, so when you break it down, that is 60 and then what? 15. So when you construct 60, you need to construct that 30, bisect 30, you get what? 15. So you get 75. So that's how to do that. Question 50, which is the last one here. So find the area of the figure below. So we have this, a right angle triangle, and we have this to be 4 root 3 meters, and this is what? 8 meters. So finding the area of this so area of this figure, we need to get the base first. This is the height. So to get the base, because area is half base times height, so we don't know the base, so we can use this to find the base. Using Pythagoras theorem. All right, so hypotenuse squared equals to opposite squared plus adjacent what? Squared. So this is opposite, so that means opposite squared equals to hypotenuse squared minus what? Adjacent what? Squared. So that is what we are looking for. Let's assume this is x, this is x squared. So that is h squared minus 4 root 3 everything what? Squared. So this is 64 minus square of 4, that is what, 16. Square of root 3, that is what, times 3. So this gives 64. So when you multiply this, 16 times 3 minus 18, that is 48. So 64 minus 48, so we have 6, that is 16. So square root of 16, so x will then be equals to what, 4. So the height, the base of this shape is what, 4. In that case, area will then be half multiplied by base times height. That's 1/2 times base, which is 4, multiplied by the height, which is 4 root 3. 2 here 1, 2 here what, 2. That will be 8 root what, 3. So which is the option B. So that is the end of this question for this video. So because of the length, so we conclude it in the next video from question 151 to 60. Thank you for your attention. Please don't forget to give us a big like and subscribe to our channel if you have not. Thank you for your attention once again.